I'm talking to you about how to generate a business idea, or how to generate many business ideas, or how to modify an existing business and make it better and a best-selling business. I'm going to be using grilled fish as an example today. 2 days ago, I went out in the night to get grilled fish. This fish that they wrap in aluminum foil and then they put it over charcoal with a wire mesh and they get it ready. Some time ago when I started buying this fish, it was just the fish only. The fish is treated with some kind of soup and you enjoy it. They blend it inside of it and it's just fish that you enjoy. But recently you get to some buyers, they slash the fish inside or outside of it, they put cabbage. Some others put they chop different kinds of vegetables and then they put it inside of the fish or by the side of the fish. Some people at a point they put Irish potato. Then another one came up, there you have sweet potato put to it. In fact, there was one I bought recently. He put different things with it, with the fish, and then he also gave me pap, this hot pap that has become cold and is solidified, that is wrapped with paper, and he gave me one. He asked if I wanted it, and he gave me. I collected it. When I got home, after some time, you have to throw it away. What I'm saying is that I discovered that the fish quality kept going down over time. The quality of the fish, because of the addition, instead of the fish sellers to get big fishes and sell it at a good price to the buyer, they got very small fish. Then they put all the vegetables to make it look big inside of the aluminum foil. It is when the buyer gets home that is going to identify and be able to detect. Now, how do you come in as a businessman or as a businesswoman or as a business guru? How you can come in is to make money from this. What is happening in the grilling of fish business is that these people that are doing this have made up their mind, I will not buy the grilled fish from them again, except I get a better quality grilled fish maker, then I can buy from him. Now, problem that they have, or where you come in, the problem they have is that they put so much vegetables to the fish, to the extent that the fish is small. So why can't they go for good fishes that are big? They will still make profit. The person buying the fish will also enjoy the fish, not enjoying vegetable. If we want onions, or if we want cabbage, or if we want to buy sweet potato, we know where they sell them. But now we say we want fish, you now add all those things inside of it. I am surprised at that. Where you come in as a businessman and that people are going to keep coming back to you is that make your fish to be fish, just fish. Don't put any vegetable in the fish. Don't put any cabbage. Don't put any cucumber. Don't put anything. Don't put any carrot. Don't put any sweet potato. Don't put any Irish potato. Just fish, garnished and ready to eat. People are going to be happy. People come to buy fish because fish is nutritious, more nutritious than meat. Now they come, then you see vegetables inside. They will open the inside, pack it full vegetables. So when you carry it in the aluminum foil, it looks big. If where you come in as to generate a business idea is that you should make yours just fish and fish alone, no vegetable, nothing, people are going to identify you and they are going to keep coming back to buy from you. This is a business logic that you can key into. And as it applies to grilled fish, it applies to other kinds of fishes also, other kinds of products, other kinds of things that people buy and sell. Look at how people are doing it currently and see how you can make it better. That is how you are going to create a unique market for yourself, and customers will keep coming back and coming back and coming back to buy from you, and you are going to make a lot of money. I'm going to talk to you some other time. My name is Olubunga, and I'm your great host on this YouTube channel. Please subscribe, ask your question in the comment section below, like the video, and share the link of this video. I am going to talk to you some other time. I have made so many other videos about success and entrepreneurship, about businesses, about how to make money online and offline. I've made a lot of other videos about businesses and agriculture, and there about businesses, about marriage, and many other things. All areas of life. I've made it known that this YouTube channel is an encyclopedia of sorts. Whatever you want, you can get it here. Bye for now.